Bundle Monster New Party Style Decorative Makeup Art. The lashes were delivered in a few days. Faster than I expected. I used the black paper butterfly lashes for my Effie Trinket costume. They look strikingly similar to the same ones she had on during her nail polish magazine photo shoot. They worked great. I was able to use them on 2 different occasions. The box also came with other colors and designs. Definitely worth the price. Just as good as the expensive brand. 10 pair reusable charming cross fake false eyelashes glue. I love these. They are obviously fake and very dramatic in my opinion, but I think they look great. The band is very thick and hard to bend and it's black. But I think that's great for beginners, like myself. I love them. SocialEyes Minx Cruelty Free Fake Eyelashes False Black. Some lashes are designed to help you look sweet. Others are there to subtly frame the beauty of your eyes. Others still are meant to barely be noticed, adding polished glamour. Minx lashes are not going to do any of that. No, these flirty lashes are meant to get you noticed. Minx lashes are a conversation piece, a piece de renaissance. These boldly flirtatious lashes are crisscrossed to perfection. Adding subtle volume to the base of your lashes, and a romantic PC look at the tip, these lashes will make you feel confident in a way only looking fantastic can achieve.